I want you to pay attention to this video because it's very unfortunate that a lot of Nigerians don't still know what is happening in Nigeria. And I am here telling you what is going on every day. It seems that, hey, people think that I'm here playing, that I don't know what I'm talking about. Now, in this video you're about to watch, you will discover that one of the major general that is leading, should I say battalion, but I would say special force, special forces that are operating in northern Nigeria. They operated in Plateau before, they are now in Borno State. So what this man is doing, they were sent to fight terrorists who were perceived foreigners. The man now went and started giving these terrorists contract to build house, to build Islamic school, to build secondary school, army. What is your business of empowering terrorists? And one of his boys, who is also a soldier, has come out to expose this man. I want you to pay attention to this video. I will come back to explain what I think about it. Stay with me.
Yes, all right. Major General A.E. Abubakar, if you find this video, the reason why they drag you be say, they do well. When Fulani herdsmen, they train soldier for Plateau State, you hear the issue, they report the case to your table, you not do anything. When the people of Mangu begin the attack soldier, when they attack us that very night, they think say win an armor. They don't know say will be special forces when they cancel waiting uncountable. You don't do anything. When Fulani begin the attack villages upon villages, you they hear them, the case they enter your table, you don't do anything. I look and say, this man, this GOC, wait to be in mission. The villages they cry say Fulani, they attack their village. They burn their houses. You now they do contract. You are a military personnel. Wait to concern military personnel concern project. When Fulani they destroy people, they burn people's house. You are busy building school for Fulani and boyhood for Fulani. Then the villagers, the verse of us, say army. They know they see you now the verse of you. They stone us. They know they stone you. Wait to concern army work, concern political work. You know, as when I don't rubbish the army, why the insecurity not go finish for Nigeria? Una keep quiet. When the villagers they cry to our hearing, say Fulani they kill them, they burn their houses. Then you people are engaged in building school for inside bush for Fulani, building borehole for inside bush for Fulani. We go cut now. You go stay for AC. I got they look you. You come down. The people of Jos they cry say Fulani they kill them. Then you now they collect contract. They build borehole for Fulani. They build school for Fulani. How they go tell like soldiers? How they go tell like the army? But not be you now. What did they pay me? Not be you now that they rush. Not be you now that they stone. Not be you now that they cost. Now we, the laborers, we wanna don't talk to laborers. Now we, those people they stone. Now we, those people they cost. They know they cost you now. Now from there, I for hate you as an officer. How villagers go they complain of about Fulani problem, destroying their farm, killing them and burning them. Then una now come they collect contract. Now come they build school for Fulani for bush. Come they build water for Fulani for bush. And what una don't do? Una not build any rehabilitation center for the people of Jos where Fulani don't destroy their houses. But now they go about. Come they build boyhole for inside bush for Fulani. They build school for Fulani. Fulani they go school. I will stay one day. Now me when I dey here, now me enter that place. Now me with my boy, now we enter that bush. Go supervise people when they decorate that place. I see what you na write. Say military civil project. What they concern now with military civil project? What they concern now with civil work? What the politicians supposed to contract when politicians supposed to do? Army general come to do them. Not be politics now, they use Nigeria to the place. So now where I for hate you and I go drag you out. Now me talking. Go check that list for inside Mangu local government. Now me, my name dead there. Now me be the same person. When I create that problem, now me see they talk to you so. You are a bad leader. Major General A.E. Abubakar, you are a bad leader. You don't destroy Plateau State. Now, you don't enter Maiduguri. They come make you the theater commander. Attack begin to happen here and there. Who are you? Major General A.E. Abubakar. You are a wicked officer. You people bad. You are not ready to make Nigeria good. Only way to know Now to they go each place, they become commanding officer waka, they collect una money for pocket. Do you know how many property you get for Nigeria? How much is Osara and how much is the entitlement? Your appointment, what you they get for there? You don't get house. And you, even your children, your wife, they are going to better school. So that when you they push, go die. They don't get that thing. How many soldiers die under your command when you be GOC? What do you do? Did you give a clearance command that they should clear everywhere? Because you are Fulani, you not Fulani, you dey support Fulani. Fulani go bomb people as they go kill people. You don't get anything when you want to. You just go do eye service. Put us there. Go dey suffer for inside the conscience. You go dey enter AC the waka. I blame politicians when they give you now the upper hand. When they don't listen to other, they listen to another. They don't know say now they fall Nigeria one by one. Now they fall Nigeria by number.
Now that you watch up to this point, this video will never make sense to people who are not from Nigeria. And it will never make sense to people who are in Nigeria who don't still understand what is going on. How will it make sense that military officers who were deployed to go and fight insecurity, they got there, the same set of people who are perpetrating the crime, they started digging boreholes for them, building schools for them, building Islamic schools. What is the purpose of military officers building boreholes, giving contract of Islamic studies school, giving contract of different kind of things? Is that the work of the military officers? DSS just completed the Islamic school they built. Nigerian army, every now and then, they are pumping money into the Islamic Center for military training and so on and so forth. All these things does not make a nation great. If we talk now, people find it difficult to understand what we are saying. From the north to south, east to west, even in Delta State, everywhere is under siege. Everywhere is under siege. People are talking about 2027. If you talk now, people will say we need good leaders. Nigeria is gone. You people don't know what is coming. You people don't know what is coming. Now in Benue State, the Reverend Father, who is the head of Catholic Priest Association, is saying that checking points are everywhere. The checkpoints of Nigeria military are everywhere. And these people are still killing, even 500 meters from the checkpoints. I don't know how to explain what illusion means more to you, because I've seen that a lot of people are not understanding the meaning of illusion. Now, let me give you an example. I gave you a story before that why I was going to secondary school then. While coming back from school during the hot sun, you will see the ray of the sun hitting the third road. There will be a reflection. You will see it far, like there is a river along the road. That is not a river, it's an illusion. It is called by the ray of the sun. That is a mirage. It is called a mirage. That is an illusion. People are seeing a fake thing that does not exist. You people are seeing a very fake thing. It doesn't exist. Maybe what you are seeing now, you are seeing a good Nigeria 2027. I challenge everybody, anybody that says a new Nigeria is possible. I know what I'm talking about too. Check countries in the world. Check any country that their politicians are sponsoring insecurity and tell me how the country is today. For what purpose? For what purpose? The head of security agents talk, Nigerians will not listen. Pay attention. If you see any retired soldier in Nigeria, go and ask question. I challenge you to go and ask question to any retired military officer. If he open up to you, if you see your leg to move out of his presence, you know that it's not the truth about Nigeria. He will tell you. These people are depressed. They don't know. They don't have choice. What is going on in Nigeria is terrible. Colluding, sponsoring insecurity, and so on and so forth. But people won't still understand. But my fear is this. It is going to be too late. Yeah. It's going to be too late before people will realize this. But the people who realize on time are on the top of it. And by the grace of God, those who realize and understand what is going on will be free. They will defend themselves and nothing will happen to them. But for those of you who don't still understand, you want to learn by experiencing it is dangerous. Why would you wait for them to come to your village and attack you first before you will start believing? Anyway, it is what it is. Let me know what you think about this video.